Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now by making a duplicate of your image and opening it in an editor that has a healing or clone tool. You do this so you never lose the original. Once set, select a brush slightly larger than the Scribbles stroke to blend. Make sure your sample source is nearby on the same layer or a clean layer above. Use short strokes and sample frequently so the texture matches. This first pass establishes the area you will refine next, and it prevents creating obvious smudges later. Next, remove the bulk of the scribble using healing for simple tones and clone for complex patterns. You want to replicate surrounding texture and lines. You should sample often, move the source every few strokes, because repeating the same source makes patterns obvious. Make your brush soft with medium opacity so blending looks natural. Once done on a patch, toggle visibility to judge consistency. If you encounter edges, switch to a smaller brush and use short, directional strokes to follow the scene's original grain and lighting. Finish by refining texture and tone so the patched area matches perfectly. You can use subtle dodge and burn or a frequency separation technique to align fine details. Here, less is more, so nudge sliders or brush opacity slightly until it blends. When satisfied, merge visible to a copy and export as a high-quality file type. If something looks off, undo a few steps, lower brush opacity, or sample from a closer area. This quick troubleshooting tip often fixes odd artifacts without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.